Let's create this animated product promo in Canva for free.
Go to canva.com. You can use the free version like me. Go to video and select the aspect ratio. Uploads and upload a background image. Next, upload the ingredient images. Adjust the size and position. I'll reduce the page duration and duplicate it. A little bit more. In the first page, move out all the ingredient images. Add transition between the two pages and select Match and Move.
This is the result so far. Animate each item and select Wiggle. Select the same animation for the rest. Click on three dots and duplicate the page. Now I'll duplicate this item, make it bigger, and change the position as you see. Also, I'll rotate it counterclockwise. Duplicate the next item, rotate and reposition it. At the end, go to Layers and remove the old picture of the items. Add transition and select Match and Move. Duplicate page 3. Repeat the process for page 4. I followed the same process for the pages 5 and 6. Now I'll go to Uploads and upload the pizza image. Animate it and adjust the duration. Duplicate page 6. Remove the pizza image transition. Reduce the size of ingredients and hide them behind the pizza. Reduce the duration of ingredient layers. Upload the ketchup drip images and follow the same process to hide them behind the pizza. In page 8, open the layer window. Select ketchup drip images, move them out and increase the size one by one. Add the match and move transition. At the end, add the text. And that's all.